Hello again. The last video I showed you how to do a learn activity. Now I will show you how to do the record your voice part of the learn activity. So we're doing the learn canvas. And we have the 12 words. If you move ahead to question 1, you can see these are 5 words. You are going to record your voice. To record your voice, click the play button. Okay. You can turn off your webcam if you click here and click no video. And it's also a good idea to check your mic. I'm using my headset. If the mic is working, you'll see color here. Then click the Start Recording button. Page, reply, discussion, submit, log in. After you recorded your voice, you click Finish. Then you can check. Page, reply, discussion. Okay, that looks good, so I click Save. That's it.